Hello, thanks for tuning in to another video from Embry-Riddle's Gates Aerospace Institute. My name is Peter Wumble and I'll be taking you through the proper way to do a checklist. If you refer to your checklist manual created by us here at Embry-Riddle, we'll take you through the challenge, reply procedure. I'm going to have Charles come up and he's going to help me out with the challenge, reply procedure.
Start and takeoff checklist. Co-pilot observer in position.
In position.
Unmanned aircraft, battery on.
Battery on.
Unmanned aircraft, start.
Aircraft, start.
Automatic takeoff, perform.
Automatic takeoff. Performing.
Unmanned aircraft. If first flight of day, stability and hover, controllability checks.
Commencing stability and controllability check. Controllability check complete.
Unmanned aircraft, transition to operational/training profile.
Going to mission.